Students, so we are studying our first lesson. Okay, so we are studying adaptation in animals of various region. Okay, so in the last session we have studied adaptation in desert animal and then adaptation in forest and grassland. Okay, today we will study adaptation in animals of snowy region. Snow, all of we know that snowy region means where there is a snow everywhere. Okay, for example in India, in Himachal Pradesh and Kashmir, Jammu Kashmir, there is a snowy region. Okay, so nature has given some adaptation in the animals which are living there. Okay, so they can survive in that snow where there is a very less temperature and cold is there. Okay, so certain particular characteristics are there in these animals which can make them unable to live in that area. Okay, so let us see. From the internet, download images of animals like yak, polar bear, white fox, silver fox, mountain goat, Siberian husky dog and snow leopard. Okay, so all these animals live in the snowy region. Compare these images with those of the similar animals from tropical forest. So tropical forest has a different kind of climate. So animals over there are different. Okay, then a white or silvery body color. So which adaptations are there? A white or silvery body color. So their body color is white or silvery. Why this adaptation is there? So they can live in the snow and it will hide, it will protect them from their predator. Okay, predator means the animal which eat these animals. So this white color will protect them from the predators because predators cannot identify due to white color. Okay, them, and they will get protected. Then long thick hair on the skin. So as there is very cold, temperature is very less, they have a long thick hair on their body or on their skin. Due to this they can survive in such a low temperature and in the cold. Okay, so which are the adaptations are there? First one, a white or silver body color. Okay, which will protect them from the predators. And second one, they have a long thick hair on the skin, due to which they get protected from cold and low temperature. Okay, so these are the adaptation in animals of snowy region. Then next is adaptation in aerial animals. Aerial means which live in the air like birds, insect. Okay, so what is the main difference between vehicles on the road and aeroplanes? So all of you know that on the road there are car, buses, four wheelers are there, and some difference is there. So they have to move on the road, so they have a different kind of structure than the aeroplanes, because aeroplane are they are flying in the air. Then which adaptations are there in the, so just like that there are certain adaptation in aerial animals because they have to fly in the air. So which are the adaptation? The spindle shaped body of birds also minimize the resistance of air while flying. So they have a spindle shaped body. Spindle shape means like a fish, as we have discussed. At the both end their body tapers, means become small. Okay, so such type is called as spindle shape. So due to spindle shape the resistance of air will be less obviously, and they can easily fly in the air due to spindle shape body. Then with hollow bones, a body, their bones are also hollow. Okay, so as the bones are hollow they have very less weight, they are lightweight. Then a body covering of feathers, they have a, their body is covered with feathers, and modification of forelegs into wings. So their forelegs means front legs are converted into wings. Their body is light in weight, their body has a very less low weight, due to which the body become lightweight, which will help them to fly. If their body is heavy in the weight, what will happen? They will not be easily fly in the air. Then the body of insects also is light in weight and tapers at both ends. So just like birds, insects also they are very light in weight and their body also taper at both ends. They can fly with two pairs of wings and also walk with a 6 stick-like legs. So they have a pair of wings with help of which they can fly, and they also have a 6 stick-like legs, okay, due to which they can walk on the ground. Bats can fly with the help of a patagium, a thin fold of skin between their forelegs and hind legs. So you might have seen the bat. So bat has a thin fold of skin between their forelegs means front legs, hind legs means backside legs. So in between there is a fold of skin is there, which is called as patagium. So due to patagium, the bats can fly in the air. Okay. So these are the adaptation in the aerial animals. Which adaptations are there? First one, the spindle shaped body of bird. They have a spindle shaped body due to which they can fly easily. Then second, bones are hollow which make their body light. Then third one, body is covered with feathers. Then fourth one, four legs are converted into wing due to which they can fly. Then their body is light in weight due to which they can fly easily. In case of weaving, same adaptations are there. Body tapers at both ends due to which they can easily fly in the air. Then they are light in weight. Okay, then they have a pair of wings. Then they have a 6 pairs of legs. Okay, so these are the adaptation in aerial animals, means which live in the air. The next one, adaptation in reptiles. So reptile means which creep on the ground, like snail, lizard. Okay, so snake, lizard are reptile animals. So again they have certain adaptations. Okay, due to which they can live easily. Observe from a distance how snakes and earthworms creep. Which organs do they use for their creeping? So they don't have any organ of locomotion. They cannot means they do not have a definite organs for moving or for creeping. So they have a specific type of muscles due to which they can creep. Then are there any special change for that purpose? Okay, so there is the special change is that they have their these body muscles are strong, so they can creep easily. Then animals like house lizard, garden lizard, crocodile use their muscles for creeping. Similarly, they show adaptation in skin, soles of feet, body color, etc. So what is the adaptation? In skin, on the skin they have a covering of scales. Okay, so that water loss from their body is very less due to scales. You must have seen scales on the body of snake. Then the soles of feet in such a way that it can tightly hold the object. Then their body color is matching with their surrounding. Okay, so these are the adaptation. For example, the house lizard and monitor lizards have a clawed toes and thin soles, whereas snakes have a scaly skin. Okay, so lizards have clawed toes due to which they can tightly hold the wall or any surface. Okay, and then their soles are also thin. Okay, then so that they can easily creep, whereas snakes have a scale on the skin. So what is the use of scale? Due to scale, the water loss from body is very low, and moisture or water can be restored inside their body. Understood? So what are the adaptation in reptiles? First one, what are the adaptation? First one, their body color is like their surrounding, so they can protect themselves from their predator. For example, you might have seen green color snakes are there. So as they live in the green grass, so their predator cannot identify them due to green color. Okay, then color of lizard also, it is like its surrounding, due to which their predator cannot identify. So body color is the first adaptation. Then what is the second adaptation? Body is covered with the scale, due to which water loss is avoided. Okay, then their soles of feet, etc. Then clawed toes, thin soles, all these are the adaptation for these reptile animals which creep on the ground. Okay, so that is all about the adaptation in reptiles. Okay, so today we have seen adaptation in adaptation in snowy region, adaptation in aerial animals, and adaptation in reptile. So in snowy region, which adaptations are there? A white or silvery body color, and second adaptation, long thick hair on the skin. Then what are the adaptation in aerial animals? First one, the spindle shaped body, which minimize the resistance of air while flying, or they can easily fly. Second one, hollow bones. Third one, body is covered with feathers. And fourth one, modification of four legs into wings, so they can fly in the sky. And third one, body is lightweight. Okay, so these are the adaptation in birds. And in insects, same adaptation are there. First one, lightweight. Second one, body tapers at both ends. Third one, fly with two pairs of wings, and also walk with six legs. Okay, so likewise you have to write in the exam. And last one, adaptation in, which adaptations are there in the reptile? First one, special type of muscles are present with which they can move or creep. Okay, they don't have special organs for moving, so by using their body muscles they creep on the ground. Then second one, they have a similar body color like their surrounding, so that their predators cannot identify and they get protected from their predators. Okay, third one, the body is covered with the scales, so that water will not lost from their body, water will get restored in their body. Fourth one, lizards have clawed tooths and thin soles, so that they can tightly hold the surface or tightly hold the wall. Okay, so likewise you have to write the answer. Okay, so this is enough for today. Thank you.